Hello my friends, how are you? So today I am going to discuss about one of the very important, you can say just like a warning for those who are uh, who are working for internet marketing or online marketing. Because you see, I want that you should be successful, and for that it is required that you should be aware of what are the pitfalls. So, can you guess what is the single most disturbing element in internet marketing? This is like the you can say, suppose you have fixed your dreams, you have prepared your dreams, and now you are working on your dreams. At that time, you have started your work also. Your activities are also on, and you are working on net. Now, what should be the you can say single most problematic area from where you should be aware, and you should not be involved in that one? Can you guess? Yes, my friend, it is internet only. So internet is the most disturbing element in our life, particularly in internet marketing. So now, how to act? So see, it's like you can say you guess it like when you start work. At that time, a lot of disturbing element like Facebook itself, in which you will start chatting with all your friends and relatives, just for sake of wasting your time and all that. Once in a while, if you are chatting, it's not a problem, but it should not come on your way to earning. At the same time, a lot of other activities are there in which you need not involve. A lot of other things, chatting, pornography. From those things, you should be keep yourself away all the time. And if you are going to involve in all these things, then you will face a lot of problems in future in internet marketing, because this particular area needs focus, and this is a new area for many of us. So this needs focus all the time. And regarding this only, now somebody can ask what should be the checks and balances. How we can act so that and understand that okay, now we are working okay. See, as far as acting is concerned, how to act so that you should not be in a trap. For this, what you can do, you should make a commitment that today I am going to learn this particular part of the internet marketing, this chapter of the internet marketing, and do so many sharings, prepare blogs, talk to the prospect. A lot of other activities are there in which if you are going to involve yourself, then you are not going in trap. So that's why my friend, you need commitment of doing that one, and for that make a focus of that one. Focus, FOCUS, focus. Focus is follow one commitment, follow one, or you can say follow one course until successful. FOCUS. This is the focus. This is the meaning of focus. You can understand like this. And how it will be checked that your activity wise that you are doing correct. When you see that your 70 to 80% activities are on income producing activity, then you can be completely relaxed. No, you are not involved in any disturbing element. So that is the checks and balances. So that's all, my friend. This was a very critical thing. So you can treat it as a warning. I am repeating because without if you will be involved, then a lot of you will be in a lot of facing a lot of pitfalls. So thank you very much, my friend. From tomorrow, one more thing, just I wanted to remind you. Please do write me, ping me in Facebook, on my page. If you are my friend, then if you are in my friend list, then you can chat with me. You can chat me on what topic you want that I should speak. This is the very important part, because I want a feedback from you. What type of activity you should involve, so that I should be helpful to you. So that's all, my friend. So keep writing me. Comment me also what type of video you want and how do you feel in my videos. So thank you very much. Bye bye.